Making YouTube videos can be kind of expensive, so I've had to cut some budgets. See, I've got a project idea that I think can solve this and another problem I have with the two little freeloaders in my house. If Audrey and I want to go somewhere on vacation, we can't pack this little goblin into our suitcases and take her with us. And that makes me sad. So I think I need to make something that will make me and Audrey both feel less bad about leaving her home alone. And I think I have a two birds, one stone solution here. See, I want to make an electronic treat dispenser that can give her a snack when we are anywhere in the world. And this solves my other problem because, well, if you subscribe after this video is live, it will dispense a treat for my cats. So annoyingly, the YouTube API isn't gonna actually be able to do what I want it to do. It doesn't actually reflect the number of live subscribers. It takes like a week or something to validate that it's not like a bot or something. So what I've done instead is that there is right here a actual live count that YouTube provides. It's just not available from the API. So I built a Python script that actually looks at that web page and pulls the number from there and then posts it to my MQTT server, and we can pull that whenever we need it for whatever projects we want. But I know every single one of you is an absolute gremlin and are going to just sub and unsub in an attempt to give her as many treats as physically possible. So I had to do this. If this number goes down and then back up, it won't give a treat. It'll only give a treat if it meets a new high number. So don't be a gremlin. And here is sort of what I think the finished product is gonna look like. We can take a section view, see how it works. And here we have a chamber that holds all the treats. And then we have a rotating disc where a treat can drop in, and the disc rotates using this motor until it reaches this hole here where it drops out of the dispenser where a cat can get it. So for the electronics part of this little treat dispenser, we just have a USB-C port for power and programming, and then we have a antenna that goes to the microcontroller, which is my favorite of all time, the ESP32C3. And this board is made by Seed Studio. It's the Zhao. And then deep in there, you can see we have a little micro Tower Pro servo. All right, we disconnect from the Wi-Fi, connect to our VPN, and then we can hit our treat button. What do you think, ma'am? Do you enjoy the new product? I think it's a winner. Now, I really want this thing to actually work well, and it does have its fair share of problems. The main one being that the treats right now kind of get stuck a little bit. So I'll probably have some iterations on this, especially if other people end up wanting to build their own. If you want to give this goblin a snack, hit subscribe.